Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Airfryer 6.5l. This is the brand new air fryer, and it has the unpleasant brand new things smell. And now I'm gonna show you how to remove this smell. So to remove this brand new smell, you just need to enable your air fryer. Of course, you need to choose the language. Read out Wi-Fi firstly, then click manual, choose the temperature 220, click OK, and set 10 minutes. Click OK and just wait for 10 minutes. After this time, your air fryer will be completely heated, and because of it, the unpleasant smell will be successfully removed from your air fryer. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you!